Let's look at another common misconfiguration that I often see in Active Directory environments, and that are accounts that have the flag set do not require Kerberos pre-authentication. These accounts are vulnerable to AS rep roasting, which allow an attacker to perform brute forcing offline. Today, we're going to show you how you can use Guardian Protector to not only identify this misconfiguration, but we are going to show you how to remediate this vulnerability as well. So let's go into Cayosoft Guardian Protector. So inside Cayosoft Guardian Protector under Threat Alerts, you can see that I have several accounts. Here I'm going to focus on Anton Alicia for this remediation. So let's open up the threat description. And here we can see, right, an account with Kerberos pre-authentication disabled doesn't have sufficient protected against password guessing attacks. So let's go in and look at the details. Well, the details is going to show me the what, which is actually the user that's impacted, and then the remediation advice is going to tell you to use Active Directory users and computers, and then basically go under the account options and clear that checkbox, do not require Kerberos pre-authentication. So let's follow the remediation advice. So let's go in, find our account, and here we have Anton, and we're going to go under the account options, and then we want to go in and basically uncheck this box. Hit apply, and now we've remediated that vulnerability. But let's go in and verify this with Cayosoft Guardian Protector change history. So let's go in and see the change. Here we have Anton's account. We can see that it did not require pre-authentication, was set, the old value was yes, and it's no longer set. So this has been remediated. Thank you.